Namaste students. Today we see a topic density. So what is the density? You see the picture. Take water in a beaker and drop an iron ball and a cork bowl into the water. What do you observe? The iron ball sinks and the cork floats as shown in figure. Can you explain why? If your answer is heavy object sink in water and light object float is water, then why does a metal coin sink in water whereas a much heavier wooden log floats? See this picture. Because the question can be answered when we understand the concept of density. We observe that wooden block occupies more volume than the iron ball of same mass. Also, we observe that wooden block is lighter than the iron block of same size. The lightness or heaviness of a body is due to density. If more mass is packed into the same volume, it has greater density. So, the iron block will have more mass than the wooden block of the same size. Therefore, iron has more density. Now, next move to the topic is definition of density. Density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume within bracket 1 by 3. If the mass of a substance is m whose volume is v, then the equation for density is given as this formula. Density, so d, mass is a m, volume is v. So the formula is d is equal to m by v. Unit of density. SI unit of density is kg/m cube. The CGS unit of density is g/cm cube. Next we see the table column. Density of different materials. Different materials have different densities. The materials with higher density are called denser and the materials with lower density are called rarer. The density of some widely used material are written in the table column. Density of some common substances at room temperature. First one is gas. Material is air. Density is 1.2. Second one is liquid. Kerosene. Material is kerosene. Density is 800. Third one is natural is liquid. Material is water. Density is 1000. Fourth one is mercury. Material. Density is 13,600. Fifth one is solid. Material is wood. Density is 770. Sixth one is aluminum material. Density is 2700. The nature is solid. Seventh one is iron. Density is 7800 density. Eighth one is copper. It is 8900 density. Ninth one is silver. Its density is 10,500. Last one is gold material. Density is 9300. Suppose you have 1 kg of iron and gold. Which of them would have more volume than the other? Give your reason. Now we see the relationship between density, mass and volume. So density is equal to mass/volume. Mass is equal to density multiply volume. Volume is equal to mass/density. So this is the definition of the density. Now I give the some problems given for you. This is the problem. Use for the density formula. I told you definition of density formula. Use the formula and solve these problems. So I hope all of you understand this topic. If any doubt in this topic, through the WhatsApp with me. Thank you.